Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another video of mine of the I Recommend series. So today I'll be reviewing and will recommend an Indian brand which is recently getting very popular, and it's an Indian homegrown brand which is totally sulfate free, paraben free, cruelty free, and the very important thing about this brand, it's really affordable, it's very pocket friendly, and I really like the products. They are they are at par with Body Shop, but the good thing about this Good Vibes is that if Body Shop is here, so Good Vibes is here. So this is the difference of the pricing, and the products I have actually taken time to really try and test them on myself, and only then I can give an honest review. So that took me some time to just buy a lot of hit and trial, and as the product claims itself to be a totally natural, pure 100% Indian range. So but yeah, I'm really very happy with the results. So to begin with, the first product that I want to review of the Good Vibes is this Green Apple Glow Toner. So this Green Apple Glow Toner is it refreshes you, it soothes the skin. It has got this very mild, since the product is totally pure and Ayurvedic. So it has a very mild cooling effect on the face, and refreshes you, makes you feel very fresh and glowing. So yeah, this is very good, this glow toner. I will give it a thumbs up. And the second product in the Good Vibes range, so I'll be doing two videos actually. I'll be doing two videos because there are so many products, and in the pricing is so low, so I actually ordered a lot of things together. And you can get this, I'll mention the handles. You can get this range of Good Vibes only from purple.com. So that's why, since I got a lot of stuff together, I cannot make a video out of all of them. So I'll be doing it in two parts. So half of the things I'll be sharing today, and the rest half I'll do in the second part. So there is like Good Vibes, and there is this Good Vibes Plus. So I like the bottle packaging because it retains the the purity. So that is why these products invest in this bottle packaging, which I really like. And I like the pump, it is very handy. This is a aloe vera vitamin E age defying moisturizing day lotion. So they have a similar night lotion as well, and this one is the best thing about this day lotion is that it is so light, it combines with the skin, it just vanishes, it disappears. And so that is the thing, that is something which is the best part about it. Doesn't make you feel very oily in this weather. And you, if you don't feel like applying anything else on the face, so you can just use this, and you are done for the day. So definitely I love this product, this age defying vitamin E aloe vera day lotion. And it is, I'll be specific that it is for all skin types, whether it is a dry skin, a normal skin, oily skin, or if it is a combination skin, because it is very light in texture. So there's no, like, you don't have to particularly choose for which skin type, so it's for all skin types. And now coming to this orange gel, this is a product which is a very hyped product of Good Vibes. I like this small tub, I love the packaging. And this gel has been getting a review of 4.5. So I could not have restrained myself from ordering this. So this is the texture, and I really have tried it. This is very beautiful, this is very light on the skin. The consistency is, as you can see, it's totally transparent, and it is a multi-purpose gel, because you can use it with your face masks, you can use it as a DIY, you can use it on your hair, but I don't know how you can use it on your hair, and as a regular moisturizing lotion or a regular gel for everyday use, whether it is day or night, you can just put it on. It's very mild, very soothing. This too has a very cooling effect on the face. So yeah, just give it a try. It's wonderful. This is also for all skin types. And the next in the Good Vibes product is this very hyped up, talked about pomegranate scrub. So I was little reluctant to use it because I hate the scrubs which have very thick harsh particles while scrubbing on the face. So the good thing about this is that you can see the product. See, it's so creamy, it's very creamy, it's very gentle on the face. And the best thing about this, which I really loved, that it hydrates the skin, and the particles, the scrub particles are really very smooth and soft. They don't hurt you while scrubbing the face. And once you're done with it, you're washed off, it really exfoliates the face, it gives it a quick glow, and it does not dehydrate the skin. So that is the best thing I love about this pomegranate Good Vibes pomegranate face scrub. So yeah, give it a try. I am obsessed with this. The best, I'll tell you at the end of the video that which were the best two products that I loved about the Good Vibes. And now coming to these essential oils. See, these are such cute little essential oil bottles. And talking about essential oils, which are the market is totally flooded with these essential oil these days. So they come very expensive. They are like no essential oil you'll get which is lesser than 600, or maybe the pricing will be from 600 to 800 rupees. But these are really affordable. The price is just 350 bucks, and the outer packaging is like this. Comes in this cardboard outer packaging. So even I like this very much. So the Rosehip Radiant Glow Face Serum, the essential oil, call it as a face serum as well. This one is a product of Good Vibes which has got a 4.8 rating. This is the most talked about product, the most popular product in the Good Vibes range. And I personally liked it very much because it is so deep moisturizing, and you can apply it directly, or you can also mix it with your regular night cream, or with your moisturizer, and then apply it. And you can also use it like with the face mask or anything else. In a DIY also you can use it. So this is also a kind of a multi-purpose face serum, but definitely this is the one I really give it a thumbs up. Every product is very beautiful, very affordable. So, and the best thing that they are all Indian homegrown brands. So this is really one to order it right now. And the other one is also a very talked about, but the rating is 4.5. It's a grapeseed oil, but for me both work because this is the skin tightening, moisturizing, radiance, age defying essential oil. So I use it with my moisturizer, and also I use it with my face mask, or any sort of like the night cream that I wear, because I really don't like to apply the serums or the essential oils directly on my face, because I find them at times to be little I feel that they'll kind of some sort of a, maybe there'll be a reaction, so I can't apply it directly on the face. So I generally I mix it with any cream or a lotion or a moisturizer, and only then I apply it. So guys, that's a wrap for today, and my second part will be coming up very soon. And take care of your health, stay happy, stay positive, and have a face glow, face moisturizing, face toning, Good Vibes weekend. And enjoy your day, enjoy your week ahead, and see you all very soon. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. So it's a wrap for today. Bye bye, and see you again very soon. Bye bye.